Hello everyone. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is aptitude based on ratio and proportion part number 2. In the part number 1 we have already done very basic questions of first and two. First question and second question. Now in part 2 we are starting question number 3 of the different thing. Let us see. So here the question is divide 1111 in the ratio of 8:3. So for this type of question, simple technique. So we are solving this question by the two method. First basic method and then tricky method. So first of see what is the basic method. So basic concept is what we are dividing this in the ratio of this and this. So first part will be how much? So this is first part. Okay. So first part is 8 ratio. So this is 8x. In the same way this is second part. So second part ratio is what? 3. So this will be what? 3x. Now first part 8x. Second part 3x. Now we have to divide this number. That means sum of these two parts will be equal to the number which number we are dividing. So 8x plus 3x equal to given number 1111. So this is what? 11x. 1111. So x will be 1111 by 11. So mostly a student do confuse in dividing also. 1111 divided by 11. So mostly a student do mistake what? 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11. But you know 11 into 11 is what? Only 121. It is what? 1111. So what is the correct? So 11 1 ja 11. Okay. So this is totally cancelled. Now we will get one number only. So this one number is less than 11. So first you put 0 and then other digit, that is 1. So again 11 1 ja 11. So correct answer here is what? X value is 101. So our answer will be what? That is the first part is given 8x. So our answer will be 8 into 101. 8 1 ja 8, 0 8. In the same way the second part is what? That is 3x. So 3 into 101. So 3 1 ja 3, 0 and 3. So this is the first part 808 and this is the second part 3. You can check by adding. After adding you are getting this number 1111. If you are getting the number, that means your answer is correct. If you are not getting that number after adding, that means your answer is not correct. You have done some mistake. So just you check by adding. 8 3 11, 1 and 11. So this is correct, 1111. So our answer is right. First will we get 808 and second will get 303. This is the basic rule for solving this type of the question. Let's see. So we are finding first part. Okay. So trick is what? Here first ratio is given 8. So this is what? 8. And sum of the ratio is what? 8 plus 3, 11. And then multiply this number by the number which number we are dividing. So number is what? 1111. So this is 11 1 ja 11 and 0 and then 1. So we will get what? 8 1 ja 8, 0. So this is our first part. In the same way we are finding second part. So second part is what? Second ratio 3. So again 3 and divided by sum of the ratio. Sum of ratio is what? 11. And this is what? 1111. So 11 1 ja 11, 0 1. So this is 3 1 ja 3, 0 3. So second part will be what? 3 0. So this is the correct answer. So always remember trick comes from the basic. So this is the simple technique. You are finding first part. So first ratio divided by sum of the given ratio multiply by the total number. You will get your correct answer. See the question number 4. Fourth question is what? the sum of three number is 350. If ratio between first and second is what? 2:3. And the ratio between second and third is what? 4:5. Then find the second number. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique and simple rule? So rule is what? Here we have three numbers. Suppose three numbers are, so let these three numbers are A, B and C, right? Three numbers are A, B, C. So it is given ratio between first and second, that is AB ratio given. So this is A ratio B is given how much? 2:3. And ratio between second and third, that is B ratio and C, it is given how much? 4:5. And the ratio between second and third is given. Find the second number. That means we have to find B. So first of all, you find the ratio between A, B, C. So we already understood the technique. How can we find ratio between A, B, C? So simple technique is what? This is A, this is B and this is C. AB is 2:3. Here C blank. So write this side of 3. So write here 3. Again BC is given 4:5. So here blank. So write here 4. So this is what? 8. And this is what? 4 3s are 12. And this is what? 5 3s are 15. So this is 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. And 5 3s are 15. So ratio is what? 8, 12 and 15. Now we have to find what is the second number. So second number trick is what? This is given 12. So simple technique is what? That is we are finding here second number. Okay. So second number ratio is what? 12. So just take it 12. Now adding the ratios. So when we add the ratio 8, 12 and 15, you will get how much? 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 15, 35. So sum of ratio is what? 35. Now we have to divide which number? 315. So total number is given what? 315. Now you can solve very easily. So this is what? Suppose 5 7 are 35. And this is 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 50. And this is 7 9 are 63. Okay na? So 7 9 are 63. So we will get 12 9 are 108. So our correct answer is what? 108. So this is second number 12. So 12 upon ratio of the number 8 plus 12 plus 15. Sum of all ratio. So this is 35. And then total number, which number we have to divide? 350. So 12 by 35 into 350. Now you solve this number. So we are cancelled by first 5. So 5 7 are 35. 5 6 are 30. 1 remainder 15. 5 3 are 50. Now this is 7. 7 9 are 63. What is number in numerator? 12 and 9. So 12 into 9, 108. So our correct answer is what? 108. So 108 is our right answer.